Well, hello, you may have seen a previous video in the MD-11 from Melbourne, Australia to Launceston, Tasmania using VOR navigation and FMC navigation. In this video we'll fly a return journey using the same VOR FMC navigation, but this time flown in the NGX 737. So departing Launceston, acquire and track VOR's DPO WYY, climb to cruise selecting FMC navigation, and in the descent acquire and track CWS and follow ATC instructions to the assigned runway using VOR navigation. Start boarding.
Ready to board. AC voltmeter set. Connect ground power.
Yes, Captain. I thought you needed something. Captain, the ground GPU is getting connected.
Just call me Jane. Jane.
Passengers are on to the battery. Switched on. Parking brake set. Cabin crew open doors.
Can't wait for that. Opening the doors. Commander.
Boarding begin.
Prepare aircraft, please.
Hello.
Getting started. Checking window heat power. IRS 2 mode is set to nav. Hydraulic pump selected on. Hydraulic pump on as per command. Electrical pumps 1 pump turned off. Electrical pumps 2 pump selected off.
I think there isn't much left for me to do. I'm leaving. Have a good journey.
Terrain, pull up.
Master caution button pressed. Checking overspeed. Warning.
Before start procedure, please.
Before start.
Did you need any assistance, Captain? We'll come up with the answer.
Charlie Zulu Echo, receive Victor, request taxi.
Charlie Zulu Echo, taxi to the holding point, runway 19.
19 holding point, Charlie Zulu Echo.
Yes, boss.
Yes, go ahead, please.
Captain, doors are closed
Beacon
and armed and the
lights
cabin
on.
is ready for taxi.
That's great, thank you very much.
Fuel
We'll
left,
start the
forward,
engines.
fuel
Then you
pump
can
selected on. Fuel up,
taxi safety
right,
information.
fuel pump on as per command. Fuel right, forward, fuel pump switched on. Hydraulic pump all on as per command. MFD engines pressed.
FT21 request pushback base 39.
Inner 321, pushback at
To the right. High Yankee November.
cruise face north.
Brisbane at 762 started. Pushback approved.
Prepare for pushback.
Push OK. Ground flight deck.
Welcome again, Captain. At your service, Captain.
Sunset 403, morning basics.
State 403, g'day, taxi to the bay.
Yes,
While
sir.
the push truck is being connected, my colleague will give you instructions. I'll be around. Captain.
Hello, Captain. We are ready for pushback.
Start engine 2.
Engaging starter engine 2. Start valve open engine 2.
Rotation.
N1.
G'day 762, stay on taxiway Alpha. Parking brake.
Taxi Alpha 4, X-ray Foxtrot Victor.
Starter cutout engine 2.
Release parking brake.
Parking brake released.
Commencing push. All engines clear. Start that wheel.
OK, start switch engaged engine 1.
62, hold short of runway and 1205.
Fuel flow engine 1.
Mission.
G'day 762, Grant.
What type of bird on your tail?
Parking brake.
Start at cutout. Engine 1.
Set parking brake.
OK. Parking brake set.
After start flow.
Connecting to engine power and preparing for taxi generator 1.
That's been removed.
Before taxi procedure.
Cabin crew taxi
You
ready
can go ahead
for
and give the
before
passengers their
taxi check.
safety taxi brief now. Thank you.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board today.
Juliet
This is your
ground
present
taxi
speaking.
holding point
Please direct your
runway
attention to the
14 right
cabin crew for
QNH
important safety
1023.
Runway down, I think it was pretty much a 15 knot crosswind all the way down. It wobbled around a bit the last couple hundred feet.
Yep. Just enter the open next
Parking brake
left and
released.
hold. Nothing behind you.
Mike Oscar. Roger, I believe they're going to push back far enough to let us in. Is that okay with you?
In push approved, face north.
Flaps fine.
Yeah,
Virgin
flaps
231
fine. Selected.
monitor tower 118.7.
Monitor
Tower
118.7. Virgin 231.
Grand G'day, November Juliet.
Go November uniform.
Tango November uniform, good afternoon. Runway 14, roll through to the end, cleared to land.
Tango November uniform.
OK. Auto throttle switched on.
No, no, no.
Track hold arm.
Runway make flight, sir.
Virgin 231 tower, runway 14 right. Line up and wait.
Runway
14 right. Roger. Virgin 231.
Runway entry procedure.
Sorry, Captain, didn't copy. Say again. Runway entry procedure.
Yep.
Control 133.
Runway confirmed.
Melbourne
Navigation
control
lights to
133
strobe
decimal
and
5.
steady. Sorry, I'm a bit slow.
Tango Juliet Echo. Tango
Turn
Juliet Echo,
lights
up and unit
on
upright.
as per
Tango Juliet
command.
Echo.
Taxi lights off as per command. Transponder TARA.
Go ahead.
Runway
Hi, Captain.
entry.
Cabin is ready for takeoff.
Okay.
14 right.
So after takeoff, we're seeking to intercept and track the VOR. We will not be using L-nav and V-nav. We'll be using the UFCs to establish lateral and vertical navigation in order to intercept and track the VOR as soon as possible. Seeking to establish VOR capture criteria, remaining on VOR nav until climb and feet wet.
Virgin 231 winds 190 at 4. Fly runway heading runway 14 right. Cleared for takeoff.
Fly runway heading. Cleared for takeoff. Virgin 231.
My Victor X-ray, good day. Continue approach runway 19.
Roger. Heading. Set. In sync now.
Thank you.
Forget it.
Here we go. Takeoff. Go around.
Take
Good
off power
afternoon, Tango
set.
November uniform. Tango November uniform, good afternoon. Runway 14,
Toga
roll through to the
set.
end, cleared to land.
Tango November uniform.
$80 knots.
V1.
V1.
Rotate.
V1. Rotate.
V2.
V2. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear coming up.
Oscar Golf Charlie, left contact. Final.
Flaps.
Oscar Golf Charlie, runway 01,
Flaps
cleared to
1.
land.
Selected.
Clear land, Oscar Golf Charlie.
Heading mobile.
Yep. Heading mode switched on.
Altitude mobile.
Affirmative. Altitude. Full. Enabled. Command A set.
Level train.
Selected. Level change. Active now. Gear up and secured. 1,000 feet above ground.
Oscar Charlie, surface wind 060 degrees, 10 knots.
Oscar Golf Charlie.
Icons.
Virgin 231 contact Melbourne control 126.5.
Melbourne control. On 126.5. Yours.
Virgin 231, Melbourne Control. Roger, radar contact. Climb, flight level 150. Resume on navigation. Direct, Delta, Papa, Oscar, then, as filed.
VHF going to center.
Set heading 270.
Setting heading 270.
Roger, Virgin 231. Climb maintain, flight level 150. Enter Delta Papa Oscar is fine. Virgin 231. After a takeoff log.
Spoilers. Auto brake off. Runway turn off. Lights turned off. Engine to start switch 1 2. Turned off. Flaps coming up. Bleed engine 1 selected on. Bleed air engine 2 on as per command. APU air bleed turned off. Gear lever off. Ready for.
Nav mode arm.
Affirmative. Track hold armed.
So heading 300.
Yep, selected. Heading 30.
So heading 300.
Roger. Selected. Heading 300. Can't do better. Can you? Cap.
So heading hold is lateral navigation. VOR is armed and waiting for capture criteria. Your comms.
Virgin 231, watch your altitude. Your assigned altitude is flight level 150, UNH 1023.
Got it.
Descending at A, quarter 69 on climb flight level 200, passing flight level 180.
169, descending at A, climb flight level 390.
Using level change and altitude acquire for the vertical navigation. Looking for the VOR acquisition criteria less than 1 dot. To intercept Delta Papa Oscar VOR. PFD enunciates heading select. VOR localizer is armed.
Rocky Mackay, Hamilton, plan
So we're just waiting for the VOR acquisition.
Altimeter check.
Let's check.
Cross checked.
Passing
Okay.
10,000.
10,000. Sorry, I'm a bit slow.
Virgin 231, climb flight level 180.
Climb flight level 180. Virgin 231.
Echo Alpha Juliet, climbing flight level 200.
Echo Alpha Juliet, descending at A, climb flight level 390.
Setting altimeter
Echo
reference
Alpha Juliet, flight level 390.
Standard altimeter spotted. Setting flight level 180.
Direct to Lofa available.
Yep, Juliet, you can expect via Rocky or advice in 1.
Echo Alpha Juliet, thank you.
Virgin 231, climb flight level 230.
Climb flight level 230. Virgin 231.
So we've just acquired VOR Delta Papa Oscar. Our lateral navigation has switched from heading track to VOR navigation.
Melbourne Control. Virgin 231 requesting flight level 170.
Virgin 231, maintain flight level 170.
Maintain flight level 170. Virgin 231.
Echo Lima Juliet, contact approach 124.7. Echo Lima Juliet.
That's all there is to it really. Just tune VOR nav frequency and track. Heading hold or manual flight to intercept.
Yeah, and a climb flight level 240.
HS distance is set to 40 miles. Got that.
Identifying number.
Verifying. VOR 1. The expected ID is Delta Papa Oscar.
Virgin 231, contact Melbourne Control 120.7.
Melbourne Control 120.7. Melbourne Control Virgin 231 is with you at flight level 170.
Virgin 231, Melbourne Control, roger.
Melbourne Control Virgin 231 requesting flight level 180.
Virgin 231, climb flight level 180.
Climb flight level 180 Virgin 231.
Level change.
Selecting level change. Selected on.
Foxtrot Zulu, when ready, leave control area on descent.
The NDB uncertainty in the pointer.
Transition altitude. Affirmative 275. Done. No interest.
Yeah, thank you.
That's very kind from you.
Charlie Zulu India, select flight level 370.
Charlie Zulu India, descend flight level 240.
Charlie Zulu India, flight level 240.
So we're past Delta Bar Oscar. I'm heading 275 outbound.
November Juliet uniform, contact approach now 124.7, cheers. November Juliet uniform.
You can ask the first officer to identify the VORs, which she will do phonetically verbally. She'll also tune to the VOR Morse frequency for a double check. Identify VOR 2.
Verifying. Nav 1. The station ID is Delta Papa Oscar.
Diggity 4, climbing to flight level 200.
Diggity 4, Seneca Day, climb to flight level 350.
Diggity 4, flight level
2. We
350.
expect to hear Whiskey Yankee Yankee.
That's it. To mute the Morse code, just reset the VHF switch. Got a signal, a bearing, no DME. So we'll remain with DPO outbound 275.
Foxtrot November, Quebec, descend to 8000, QNH 1019.
So November, Quebec 8000, flight level 210.
Foxtrot November, Quebec.
Control, Rail Express, 35.
Foxtrot November, Quebec.
Take a Juliet Foxtrot, maintaining flight level 330.
Take a Juliet Foxtrot, Seneca Day.
Roger. Track. Hold. Engaged.
Juliet Foxtrot, Roger, back 3 arrival, runway 01. When ready, descend to flight level 130.
Tango Juliet Foxtrot, flight level 130.
Captured it.
Virgin 231, contact Melbourne Control 122.6.
Melbourne Control 122.6. Melbourne Control, Virgin 231 is with you at flight level 180.
Virgin 231, Melbourne Control, roger.
Echo Whiskey Mike, contact approach 124.7. Echo Whiskey Mike.
Tracking Whiskey Yankee Yankee on 270. Nice waypoint. Okay, I think we'll start climbing.
Tanner, good evening. Qantas 147, left flight level 168, climbing flight level 200.
Qantas 147, Tanner, good day, climb flight level 350.
Very clear, flight level 350. Qantas.
Melbourne Control, Virgin 231 requesting flight level 280.
Virgin 231, climb flight level 230, expedite through flight level 200.
Climb flight level 230, expedite through flight level 200, Virgin 231.
Roger, it's Quebec, descend 8,000 KNH.
Sure, set it, level change on.
Quebec 8,000.
As we're climbing to cruise, we'll shortly go FMC navigation. Tell that Viva.
Virgin 231, contact Melbourne Control 133.3.
Melbourne Control on 133.3. Melbourne Control, Virgin 231 leaving flight level 1954, flight level 230.
Virgin 231 Melbourne Control, roger, climb flight level 280.
Climb flight level 280, Virgin 231.
November, Juliet, Quebec, contact approach 1247, good day.
November, Juliet, Quebec.
Got it. Selecting LNAV, engaged.
VNAV.
Okay, selecting VNAV, on.
Thank you.
No worries, at your service.
Hotel Yankee Bravo, contact approach 124.7. Yankee Bravo. At about 310. 500, contact Cooley approach 123.5.
Romeo Kilo, when ready, call approach 124.
So we're just passing Smithton, Sierra, Mike, India,
Whiskey
554.
Turning November, Juliet, Quebec, maintaining flight level 230.
November, Juliet, Quebec, smoker 3, roll runway 01.
Some interesting series. Set 117.6 now.
Yeah, nav 1, dial 117.6.
Set nav on track 339.
Got it. Setting track 339.
Descend to 8,000, QNH 1011. 8,000, 1011, November, Juliet, Quebec.
Set 117.6 knots.
VOR 2117.6.
Approach 124.7.
124.7, November, Juliet, Quebec.
Sure, VOR 2114.1.
Set nav to track 339.
Selecting nav 2 course 339. Set.
That's both radios set up and tuned for the approach to Melbourne.
Cabin crew 2 flight deck.
154, descend 8,124.7, accurate.
Okay. Cabin crew 2 flight deck.
Did you need something, Captain?
Okay, go.
Yes, Captain. What can I do for you?
One medium black coffee with no sugar and a latte with no sugar.
Signature Yankee Santa climb flight 310. Flight level 310.
Okay, I'll bring those up in a sec.
You're a star, thanks very much.
Flight level 240.
Descend flight level 240, Virgin 231.
Julia Sierra, contact approach 124.7.
Set
Approach on
flight
124.7, Julia Sierra, good day.
Selected.
Altitude.
Open descent. Selected.
Descent flow.
Roger. Descent. Seatbelt warning.
Yes, Captain. What can I do for you?
Hi there, just to
No
let you know we're
smoking.
commencing descent.
Okay, thanks.
Selected on. Ready for checklist.
All contact Melbourne Control 133.55.
Melbourne control on 133.55. Melbourne control Virgin 231 is with you. Leaving flight level 2554, flight level 240.
Virgin 231 Melbourne Control, roger, when ready, descend flight level 160.
When ready, descend flight level 160, Virgin 231.
Center Echo Whiskey Mike, maintaining flight level 230.
Echo Whiskey Mike, Dennis Smoker 2 arrival, runway 19er. When ready, descend flight level 130.
Echo Whiskey Mike, Smoker 2,
descent,
flight
selected.
level 190. Correction, square left, flight level 190.
Tango November X-ray, descend 8000, QNH 1013.
Tango November X-ray 8000.
Virgin 231, descend flight level 120. Start down now please. I need you leveling 30 miles or less.
Maintain flight level 120, Virgin 231.
So it's given us a crossing inspection. We're set up now for VOR navigation descent into Melbourne.
Yep, heading. Set to current value. Roger. Localizer mode on.
Center.
Localizer mode engaged. Channel to manage flow.
VOR capture. So that's cows, CWS capture.
Echo Whiskey Sierra, select flight level 190.
Echo Whiskey Sierra.
6339. See on the navigation display our descent prediction. We'll use spoilers to assist them. Use some speed brakes to get down to that maximum restriction. Once it is down to 12,000 in 30 miles or less, that was 10 miles ago.
Melbourne control Virgin 231 needs to leave the frequency to get weather.
Virgin 231, report back up within 4 minutes.
Melbourne, local 80s information, Victor, winds 300 at 6, visibility 10 kilometers or more, clouds, broken 5,500, temperature 13, dew point 11, QNH 1021, landing and departing, runway 27, advise approach, you have information, Victor.
Melbourne control Virgin 231.
Back up.
Virgin 231, roger. Thank you.
Hello, my Victor Whiskey is 7.
Virgin 231, contact approach 132.0.
Approach on 132.0. Approach Virgin 231 is with you at flight level 120 with Victor.
Virgin 231, approach. Expect vectors to the runway 27.
Runway
27, Virgin 231.
Person approaching, Juliet Echo, maintaining 5,000 with Victor.
Next Juliet Echo, Britain approaching, official right base, runway 14.
Approach, Virgin 231, request to full ILS.
Runway
27, approach.
Virgin 231, maintain 4,000 feet until the initial cleared. The full ILS, runway 27, approach, QNH 1021.
Roger, 4,000 feet until established. Cleared to full ILS.
Runway
27, approach, Virgin 231.
Person approach, Tango Juliet Quebec on descent 7,000, receive whiskey.
Yep, setting, level change, enabled.
Visual right base, runway 19, descend to 5,000.
Heading,
5,000, Tango Juliet Quebec.
in sync now.
Heading down.
Yep, heading, hold on. Nav 109 decimal 3.
Receive whiskey.
Echo Foxtrot Romeo, expect vectors.
Affirmative, selected track 263.
Romeo.
Set nav to 109.3.
VOR 2109 decimal 3.
Set nav to track 263.
Setting nav 2 course 263.
X-ray Foxtrot Romeo 10, left heading 060, vectors 40 right circuit island.
FMC Nav.
Descend to 4,000.
ADF 1377.0.
Romeo.
Altimeter check.
Let's check.
Cross checked, okay.
X-ray Foxtrot Romeo, 4 miles right of the localizer, turn right heading 100 for base, descend to 2,000.
About to cross 10,000. Listening to radio identifier NDB1. The expected ID is Echo Papa Papa.
You can see how the NDB is unreliable. It's wavering about quite a lot. Now it's settled down now up to about 33340. That's where we're heading.
X-ray Foxtrot Romeo.
Set heading 350.
Roger. Oops, you said what?
Set heading 350.
Yep.
Approach procedure.
Roger, approach. Engine to starter 1, 2. Continuous ignition. Spoilers armed. Taxi lights selected on. Turn off lights on.
Echo Romeo, descend 1,700, established on the
I've only got two
visual
hands.
approach. Contact tower 1205 at 5 miles.
1,700 on the approach, visual approach 10.5, Echo Romeo.
Auto brake. High.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be arriving at our destination shortly. If you are making a connecting flight, please see the customer service agent using this line, or the video monitors inside the terminal for connecting
approach, expect official left circuit,
for your
runway 19.
continued safety, flight attendants will now walk through the cabin to secure it for landing. We'll collect any off-service items, newspapers and any other items that you wish to discard or may not be taking off the aircraft with you. Also, in preparation for landing, please turn off all electronic devices. Stow these devices within all other carry-on items. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins as items may have shifted during our flight. Please stow your tray tables and return your seats to their upright position and check the security of your seatbelts. We'll be landing shortly. Thank you.
Prospect 331, starting runway 14,
Setting speed 170. Okay, say again please. Speed
170.
Cheers.
Flaps 1.
Done. Yep. Speed check. Flaps 1 selected.
Set heading 330.
Setting heading 330. Done.
Approach.
Southside 373, personnel.
373, left,
Roger. Approach. Call available now.
373, thank you.
Flaps fine.
Flaps fine selected.
Flaps 10.
Yep. Flaps 10 selected.
Contact 401 is with you at 9,000 feet with Victor.
Qantas 401 approach. Expect vectors to the runway 27.
Runway 27, contact 401.
Suspect 373, clear to leave me on the control desk. Base on descent to 3000, no reported outside traffic.
Localizer alive. Glide slope alive. Glide slope capture.
Set speed 150.
Setting speed 150. Set.
Geared up.
Yeah. Gear speed check. Coming down.
Suspect 331, descent.
Visual with
Gear down and
Suspect
secure.
331, roger, when ready, track to final 14.
Forget it.
Flaps 30.
Affirmative. Flaps
Suspect
30
331,
selected.
runway now, runway 19 at 4 sequencing. Cancel start, turn left heading 120, vector for base.
Localizer
Runway
alive.
19,
Glide slope
descent video.
alive. Glide slope capture.
Identify ILS1.
Okay, listening to radio identifier ILS 1. We should hear India Mike Whiskey ILS.
Helicopter Romeo Echo 15 miles to the south of Warwick, request area QNH. Helicopter Romeo Echo the area QNH 1013. 1013, good enough.
Virgin 231, contact tower 120 decimal 5.
Tower.
On 120 decimal 5.
Tower.
Virgin 2316 mile final.
Runway.
27.
Virgin 231 tower, runway 27, winds 300 at 6.
Roger, Virgin 231.
Tower, Runway Mike Foxtrot. Mike Foxtrot, g'day. Continue approach. Runway Mike Foxtrot.
Landing continue.
Roger, landing.
Go ahead.
Hi, Captain. Cabin is ready for landing.
Okay.
Autopilot disengage.
Yeah, did you ask for
No,
something?
contact 401.
Disengage, Captain. Cheers, autopilot.
401
Disarmed.
winds
Automatic. Cross-check the
240
altimeter.
at 4.
Roger, contact 401.
Juliet Romeo, clear for takeoff. Thank you,
Virgin 231, runway 27, cleared to land.
1000. Cleared to land, Virgin 231.
Tower, Tango Juliet Echo. Tango Juliet Echo, continue approach. Tango Juliet Echo.
Wind shear, wind shear, wind shear. Wind shear, wind shear, wind shear.
Chopping.
Sure. Is. Captain, check altitude.
Wind shear. Set speed 130.
Okay, setting speed 130.
400. 300. 200.
Landing.
Minimums landing confirmed.
100. Approaching minimums. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Charlie Zulu Alpha, clear for takeoff. Charlie Zulu Alpha.
Yep, reverse. Thrust. Reverse. Thrust. Deploy. Brakes active. 70 knots. Idle.
Virgin
Thrust.
231. Turn off at the next high speed and hold.
Selected.
Contact ground. 121.7 when runway is clear.
Ground on 121.7.
Preston Tower, Charlie with 2 kilo afternoon. Charlie with kilo, g'day, runway 14, clear to 6 kilo.
Okay, up. Flaps going up. Spoilers disarmed. APU. APU. The start switch engaged. Pitot heat selected off.
Nova Juliet Hotel. Nova Juliet Hotel afternoon.
Taxi
Runway
lights
01
switched
clear to
on.
land.
Master
Nova Juliet Hotel.
caution. Runway turn off. Lights on. Landing lights selected off. EFEE's button position has been pressed. Engine to starter 1, 2. Turned off.
Good afternoon, Tango November uniform. Tango
Flight
November uniform, good
director
afternoon. Runway
selected
14 roll
off.
through to the end.
Flight
Clear to
director
land.
2
Tango
off
November
as
uniform.
per command. Auto brake off.
09.
EFEE's button traffic has been pressed. Ground Virgin 231 at Alpha 4.
Virgin 231 ground. Taxi
Transponder
to the ramp.
standby. Strobe lights
Taxi
off.
to
The ramp. Master caution 231 pressed.
Ladies and
Crew
gentlemen, this
flow
is crucial for our flight.
Captain. Yeah, radio line now. Ground.
Seatbelt fastened until
Japan
the captain has
762,
turned off the
hold
seatbelt
short on
sign
runway 15.
and the aircraft is parked safely. This will be your indication that it is safe to move around the cabin, gather your belongings and disembark. We'd like to thank you for flying with us today. We appreciate your business and we hope to see you once again on a future flight. Thank you.
To the open. Tango Juliet Oscar.
Stig in his pushback truck. This is a rally truck.
Mike Oscar, Roger, you can just enter the open next left and hold. Nothing behind you.
Mike Oscar, Roger, I believe they're going to push back far enough to let us in. Is that okay with you?
Mike Oscar, that's approved. I'm not sure which way they're going to push, so you can either take next left or the Charlie 4.
Okay, we'll sit here on Charlie 5 and just wait.
Brisbane Ground, Charlie Zulu Golf, request pushback Bay 40, and yes, we'd like to push clear for the 76.
Charlie Zulu Golf, that push is approved.
Charlie Zulu Golf.
Look at that.
The 316, right, you start and push approved, face north.
Facing north, clear for pushback and engine start, EVA 316. Grand G'day, November Juliet. Juliet Bay 20, request pushback.
November Juliet, good morning, pushback approved.
Pushback approved, November Juliet, Juliet.
Parking brake set.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Ram Express 3554 at Echo 5. Ram
Down,
Express
aircraft.
35.
Webers Mobile 87, across the runway.
Cross runway, Mobile 87.
I'm pleased to see you again. My name's Jane. Jane, in charge of ground operations. I'm here for any ground services you might need.
No ground power boss.
Yep, listening, Captain. Yes, Captain. I thought you needed something.
IRS 1 mode is set to off. IRS 2 mode is set to off. Yaw damper disengaged. Emergency lights discarded. Window heat.
To receive Victor.
Go up Oscar,
Turned off. Air compact. Left.
Holding plane,
Selected
runway 19,
off.
Echo Alpha Oscar.
2. Off as per command. Isolation valve turned off. Recirculating fan.
You don't need me now, do you? Time to say goodbye.
2. Switched off. APU. Air bleed turned off. APU. Off as per command. Fuel. All fuel pumps.
Hold short of 5 to find your beta once occupied.
Okay, hold on.
Captain,
Secure.
all
Go.
flights are disarmed.
Okay, you can let some fresh air in. Go ahead and open the doors now.
Okay, we've got it. Thanks.
Okay, hit.
Phone's engaged. If you can try and new company ops frequency, you might get a result quicker.
Okay, we're going to just talk about that. Thanks.